What's going on, buddy? My name is CJ. Welcome back to another reaction video. Tonight, I'm going to react to Cosmic Railway live in Japan from EXO. This has been popping up a little bit in my comments sections recently to listen to, and the name Cosmic Railway piqued my interest. You know, it piqued my curiosity. I've actually never heard of the song before, so new music, we love that. It's also live and it's also EXO. You put those two things together and you get a great time. So without further ado, let's get into it. Better be a ballad. We got some piano going. The harp? They're in white suits. Oh god. Oh. What's about to happen? You can't choose the first one. That piano. We got a whole orchestra. Bro, just... Dude, why does he look emotional? He's gonna make me sad. I'm already sad. But I'm happy. I don't know what I am. That harp, though. The weakness they don't, even if you're real, them all here. I like these lyrics. Dude. They're raising up. Cosmic fade away, Cosmic fade away, wow. He's making me emotional. Yeah. So that was Cosmic Railway from EXO. I was able to pay attention more to the lyrics this time. Those lyrics were very nice. I like those lyrics. Very good lyrics. Oh my god, like their vocals, dude. Their fits, though. Really quick, nice fits. All white. You can't go wrong with a live orchestra. Oh my god. Like, I was getting emotional a little bit there. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that was just beautiful. That whole thing. I'm a shock. There's a couple of things, instruments, that I love, okay? I didn't think I was as big of a fan as, like, a harp that I thought I'd be. And here I am, enjoying the harp. I am at a loss for words. That was just... Like, there are some times when there's songs where I just, like, get stun-locked. Where I'm just kind of like, I don't know what to say. Because I'm just overwhelmed at this point. Sometimes I'll, like, give it... There's like, a minute or two between my reaction and my review because I need time to, comprehend. That was a fun time. All right, I've listened to a decent amount of EXO songs now, and like I've listened to a lot of like ballad songs like this from them. I've listened to a lot more of like the upbeat, like, you know, like rap and just hard stuff. And I haven't listened to a lot of like, you know, slowed down EXO, really just coming from the heart. I've listened to like Baekhyun stuff where it's like a little bit on the slower side, but it's still like more on that like R&B upbeat. This is just straight like a ballad. They're just fucking singing their hearts out. That was awesome. They got me just like, I don't know what to say. I was just having a great time. Like, that was just a fun experience. The entire time watching this, I'm just thinking in my head, like, I want to be there. I wish I was there. If I had the actual Aerobong, okay, and I'm just... fuck, borderline just swinging it at every direction with every ounce of just effort I had. I didn't want to do it with my phone because it's expensive. And it's not the real thing. It's just a PNG. But it will do for now. I had a great time. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you enjoy watching this concert when you watched it? Because you probably watched it when it first came out, not 3 years later. Give me more recommendations in the comments section. As I said, I really enjoy ballads, and I'd like to listen to more ballads from them. So if there are more ballads that you can think of, please let me know. Other than that, I hope you have a great night there. Whatever time is for you, and I'll see you in the next reaction. Bye.